Hey, what's up guys? E.D.White here, and welcome to episode 4. So in this episode we are going to be grouting in tile floor I just laid yesterday and installing a little hardwood strip. I'll show you. So here's our tiled floor, leveling clips on it. I don't tile a whole lot, so when I do I'll take any help I can get. These leveling clips work pretty decent. Obviously got to use spacers with them still. If you want a bigger grout line, this is about 1/8 inch, 3/16. So we're going to grout this in today and then put a little hardwood transition right here. Alright, now I've got to mix our grout up. This is grout from Mapai. We're using just a silver color, kind of like a medium light gray. And just going to mix it up. The instructions are all in the bag in the back. Just follow them. They're there for a reason. So we're going to use about half the bag, a little bit more. So I already got the water measured out. Put that in there first. Got this bag open. We're not going to use that much grout. Big tiles like we're using, they don't take much grout, so because of course there's not many grout lines. So I'm going to put about half of this bag in. Then we got to mix it for 5 minutes.
One eternity later.
Now we're going to let that sit for roughly 5 minutes. Give it another 1 to 2 minute mix and then it's ready to go. Well, we got our grout mixed up. It should look like that. Now this is sanded grout from a pie, but it's polymer modified. So you don't need to seal it afterwards. You still can. Let's say you're doing a shower or something like that. You know, you can definitely still seal it. But anyways, we'll get this on. Then you want to clean your excess off with a trowel. Let it sit for 15 to half an hour. Come back and we'll wipe the excess off with a sponge. Alright, so the grout's all done. Looks good. Let it dry overnight. And then I came back, just buffed it up through with a microfiber towel. You can use a blue shop towel as well. It just takes the haze off your tiles, polishes them up, makes them look good, nice and clean. So now we're going to fit the transition. It used to reduce down to the tile. Or what I'm going to do is flip it around, rip it thinner, because the tile's a little bit higher than the hardwood now. Not much, just a little bit, probably about a 1/16 or an 1/8 in a spot over here on the left side. So we're just going to rip it thinner, put it in there, put it tight to the hardwood, and then leave a little bit of a space on the tile side. And we're going to caulk that in with a product from Mapai. They make it color matched, siliconized caulking that matches your grout that you use. So use that on that side. Well, that actually fits pretty nice for the first go. I'm going to go ahead and sink a few pins in that. And you can see the gaps different here on the tile side. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how to caulk that in real nice. Well, I apologize for the video quality. Forgot my camera at the apartment for this part. But you can see me here laying down the tape. And this just gives you a real nice line when you go to caulk. It's in the doorway. You're going to be seeing it all the time. So here's the caulking going down. Less is kind of more here. You don't want it all over the place. Smooth out with your finger. Just pull the tape off. You'll get a real nice line. Real crisp. It'll look good. And that's kind of your flexible joint in between your hardwood and your tile. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.